In 1969, the Ford Mustang wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of freedom, power, and passion.
Today, many of these machines sit forgotten, covered in dust and rust, waiting for someone to bring them back to life.
Marco Bellini, a skilled restoration expert, carefully examines the faded red paint and corroded panels.
Every brush stroke, every polish, is a tribute to the car's legacy. The restoration process is meticulous.
Dust is removed, chrome cleaned,
Faded paint carefully repaired, and the interior revived to its original condition. The engine, the wheels, the dashboard, every detail is treated with precision.
Marco works methodically, each movement calm and focused, bringing this Mustang from decay back to its original glory. As the sunlight filters through the old garage windows, the car slowly transforms.
Rusted surfaces gleam under the polish, shadows dance on the freshly restored curves, and the iconic chrome blends in golden light.
By the end, the 1969 Mustang stands as a reborn legend, a symbol of craftsmanship and dedication.
From forgotten relic to roaring masterpiece, this Mustang reminds us that greatness never truly fades, it waits to be restored.